Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today to share with you the June cherry box. So I am going to unbox this for you and share with you all the goodies that are to be found in this month's cherry box. So this is a subscription. You can buy one-offs if they are available, and you get this nice, lovely little thing that tells you what is included in the box. So there is a jar of Vicki Boutin texture paste, and I happen to have blueberry sour, which is awesome because I am all about blue, with my swimming pages in particular. So let's open this bag and see what goodies we have in here to be found. So you have a pack of the Foundations Mixed Media paper from Vicki Boutin. So this is a Vicki Boutin box, let's just say. So very cool that you have that. This is awesome thick paper, and I love this too. The acrylic, it's great for doing mixed media on as well. So that will be great to work with the stencils. So you also get, these are from the Color Study, so that is a collection before. So there's a mix of Color Study as well as Sweet Rush. So Sweet Rush is the latest collection, and then Color Study is the one before. But these three stencils, so you have the circles, and I'm not sure if you can see through the glare. I think you can. So these sort of pie chart circles, and then you have those lovely polkas, as well as kind of like bubbles circles. So those three stencils. You also are going to get 12 cardstock papers. So you have 2 of 6 pieces, and you actually have half Color Study and half Sweet Rush. So this is a really cool grid. And then the B side is that pink. So that's the other thing, is you're going to get 2 of each paper, but that way you will also have one of each design per se. So you have that really cool floral from Color Study to go with that variegated green, or they're kind of like the scales. They go this way, like the scales on a fish or a peacock. So that is front and back of that. And then also from Color Study, so again, the older collection, you have the color rainbow pie chart that's watercolored. I love how it gives it that textured feel. And then the B side of that is this sort of red-orange geometric pattern there. So those are the older papers from Color Study, and then you're going to get 6 papers, or three double-sided sheets, front and back, 2 of each. So you have this cloud with the really cool dot texture to it. I'll just let you see that closer. And then the B side of that are these tropical leaves that are so cool. Look at that. Oh, I absolutely love that. Kind of in that more blue. Also from Sweet Rush, you're going to have these cut aparts, so added embellishments, really. Or look at that together for a double-sided page. How cool would that be? Ooh, ideas. And I love the strips, the manufacturer strips for that. And of course, you've seen probably a lot of this around social media. So the rainbow, and again, you've got 2 of that, with that really cool black with the little dots, as the last piece there. Then you have the embellishments that are going to go with this kit, or box, I should say. So from Color Study, you've got these layered stickers that are flowers, and you can see there's stitching in gold in the center there. And there are 5 of those. You are also going to get the sticker book from Color Study, and this is the back side that shows you all of what is in that particular sticker book. So you have stickers, you have some labels, embellishments, some phrases, and then some word phrases there. So, and the cool thing about Vicki Boutin, the cool thing about a lot of collections these days is that the color palette works really well from one collection to another, and you can mix and match them. These, I'm pretty sure the glare, it's going to be a tough see, but so these are the thickers that come with the collection. So lots of great phrases: live life happy, happy birthday, thank you, best wishes, party time, love, thanks, rainbow. So you could supplement this with all kinds of makeup phrases of your own. Be a rainbow, happy birthday again. So lots of really useful congratulations generic phrases there. And then you get the Sweet Rush embellishments. And again, I'm not going to go through them all because they are all on the back there, and you can see them. But again, the color palette, I think it looks much softer here than it actually is. So think of like this color palette and this. And these are the stickers that go with it. So you can see how those colors match much better than what this actually really shows you. So a nice mix. This is actually the journaling embellishment pack. And there are some gold foil pieces and some vellum pieces as well. So that, my friends, is the June Cherry Box. If you don't subscribe, it's not too late to subscribe and get some really great product to work with. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.